Have you lost your furry friend? The days following New Year's Eve, many pets go missing due to distractions or loud noises during New Year's celebrations. News 4 Tucson's Isabella Fredrickson spoke to the Pima Animal Care Center and joins us now live with more on their effort to get pets back home to where they belong. Isabella.
Hi, Sean. While the New Year's celebrations are in full swing, many pet owners are unfortunately having to deal with some of their worst nightmares, trying to find pets who have gone missing. Now, the week after both the 4th of July and New Year's Eve are the two most common days for pets to get out and go missing due to getting spooked from fireworks. According to the Pima Animal Care Center, they received over 300 stray pets in the first week of January last year. If you find a lost dog, you may think that bringing it to the shelter is the right thing to do. However, shelter staff tells me there's other steps you should take first. Instead, if you find a lost dog, do the following things. Take photos of the dog, post it on social media pages for lost dogs, neighborhood apps, and the Love Lost facial recognition site that matches missing pets to their owners. Go around the area where the dog was found because chances are the owner is out looking for them. Kaylee Murdoch, a spokesperson with PAC, tells me that surrendering a dog should be the last resort.
As of today, we're starting the day with 457 dogs at PAC, which is right at critical capacity for us. So we know that if a pet is brought to the shelter, they are statistically less likely to make it back to their family.
Murdoch tells me that unfortunately, if more dogs are brought to the shelter, they will have to start putting them down. Now, I spoke to a woman who both experienced losing a dog and finding someone else's lost dog, and I'll have that story at 6. Reporting live from Midtown, Isabella Fredrickson, News 4 Tucson.
Thank you, Isabella. And for more information on how to recover lost pets or how to adopt or help out a furry friend, download our mobile app or head to our website at